You guys want to get a little funky out there? Come on, Dave Messick. Stop talking and start playing. Come on. Oh, shit! Hey,
Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Are y'all having a good time out there? That's right. I love it so much, you know, I gotta say, I said it before, but I'll say it again. It is so nice to see so many familiar faces out here that have followed the Refrigerators throughout the years. It is so good to see everybody. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you so much for supporting this band. Y'all make some noise for the Refrigerators. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna go for the hip jump.